Hey, I'm Trent from TKO Tinting, and this morning we're window tinting this 200 Series Landcruiser Sahara. It's a top of the range model, so it's got all the fruit, very nice leather, TVs, everything. A lot of people are concerned that we play around with their door trims. What I want to show you is exactly what we do on this Landcruiser, so you know you've got nothing to worry about. With this, we don't take the whole door trim off. It is only the top rubbers, and to do that, there's a screw behind here and there's a screw behind there. So what we have to do is take these covers off to expose the screws. We take the screws off, pop the trim back, and take the top rubber out. I'll show you how we do that. So always like to use plastic tools so it doesn't damage anything. We pop this little cover off, and there's a screw behind there. Remove that screw. Then it's always handy to take this little cover off here. Once again, pop your plastic tool behind there, pop it off, it's done. Now here, to get this piece off, you really want to lift this switch up first. If you've got fingernails, you can always get under there a little bit and then pop the tool under there to pop it out. Then I just like to leave it sitting there like that. And then we proceed to remove this cover here, which is, once again, it's all just plastic clips in here. So it is quite simple to get out. Once you've done that, there's one screw behind there. Now that those two screws are out, there's some metal clips in the top of this door trim. The only way to get that out is by using a little bit of force pulling it back. I like to start with this end because there's something to hold on to there. Then we can take this top rubber out. Notice on the rubber you've got the metal clips. There's 4 of them, and so that's what's holding the door trim holding it in place, is these metal clips. So that's all we have to do with the 200 Series Landcruiser. Very simple if you're experienced with it, and makes the job a lot easier for us. For when we window tint it, we can tuck the film right down the bottom so it will never peel or grab. So that's what we do. If you want to quote or get your car done by us, give us a call or send us an email.